Unleashing the power of Google Ads in the USA. In the realm of digital marketing, Google Ads stands as a dominant force, revolutionizing the way businesses advertise their products and services. The United States, with its vast consumer base and highly competitive market, provides an ideal landscape for leveraging the power of Google Ads. This platform offers unparalleled reach, targeting capabilities, and analytical tools, making it an indispensable tool for businesses aiming to enhance their online visibility, attract customers, and drive conversions. Google Ads, formerly known as Google AdWords, is an online advertising platform developed by Google. It allows businesses to create and display ads on Google's search engine, results pages, partner websites, YouTube, and other platforms. The ads can be customized based on keywords, demographics, interests, and other criteria, ensuring they reach the right audience at the right time. Maximizing reach and visibility. With over 90% of the search engine market share in the US, Google is the go-to platform for individuals seeking information. By harnessing Google Ads, businesses can position themselves at the forefront of search results, increasing their visibility and chances of being noticed by potential customers.
Targeted advertising.
Google Ads empowers businesses to target specific demographics, locations, devices, and even the time of day when their ads are displayed.
This level of precision ensures that ads are shown to individuals who are most likely to be interested in the products or services being offered, optimizing the advertising budget.
Selecting the right keywords is critical to the success of Google Ads campaigns. Thorough keyword research helps businesses identify the term's potential customers are using to find products or services similar to theirs. By incorporating these keywords into their ads, businesses can increase the relevancy of their content and improve the chances of attracting quality leads. Compelling ad copy.
Creating engaging and persuasive ad copy is essential. The limited character count requires businesses to convey their value proposition concisely. A well-crafted ad copy not only captures attention, but also encourages users to click through to the business's website. Driving traffic to a website is only part of the equation. Once users arrive, the landing page needs to provide a seamless and relevant experience. A properly optimized landing page improves user engagement, reduces bounce rates, and increases the likelihood of conversions. Google Ads offers various ad extensions that provide additional information to users and encourage interaction. Site link extensions, call extensions, and location extensions enhance the ad's visibility and offer users more ways to engage with the business.